Hi, Tito Jun! Congratulations! We are very proud of you. In reaching 20 years of service, ngayon nag-retire ka na, naniniwala kami na masadaloy ang maraming blessing sa'yo and for the whole family. Especially to you and Tita Blanca. Thank you for all the blessings that you have shared.
Yes. Your service will not be forgotten, Tito. Salamat po!
God bless!
Hi, Young Jack! Congratulations on your retirement! We love you!
Bye!
Congratulations and happy retirement, Tito Jun! Vacation! Vacation! Vacation!
Congratulations! Mabuhay ka, Panginoon, at talagang namang bless na bless kami sa lahat ng mga pinagkakaloob mo sa amin. Sa 20 years na ito ay talagang kami nagpapasalamat din. At lahat na ito ay may babalik sa iyo. Congratulations!
Congratulations din po, Tito Jun. God bless po.
Congratulations, Tito Jun!
Good job!
Yan, Tito Jun, we are so proud of you that you made it in 20 years of service. Ayan, pwede mo nang i-enjoy yung buhay mo with Tita Blanca. Hindi ka na palipat-lipat ng bansa. Dahil sabi nila vacation, we will wait for you on February! Ayan. So, thank you, Tito Jun, for your help sa family. Yan. We love you! God bless!
Gosh, congratulations, Tito Jun. We are so grateful and happy for the achievements you had for more than 20 years now. And your virtues and righteousness made you outstanding amongst others. And we are so blessed to be part of it. Thank you for sharing it with us. And this is a new chapter in your life, and we will pray for you. Congratulations.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Eunice from Dubai. Tito Jun, congratulations for a job well done. We're very proud of you. I hope na mas mag-enjoy ka pa sa life mo ngayon, na retired ka na, and magkasama na kayo ni Tita Blanca. I love you so much. Congrats again. God bless. Bye-bye.
Surprise! Congratulations on your retirement. I just want you to know that we're so proud of you sa lahat ng mga ginawa mo sa Navy. It's really a job well done. Salute you for that. Anyway, good luck sa bago mong trabaho. Ano nga ba yun? Driver? Housekeeper na bandero, cook ni Blanca. Just kidding. Anyway, enjoy. God bless. Hope to see you soon. Ingat kayo dyan.
Congrats, Ninong. We love you po and we miss you. Ingat po.
Regards to you.
Regards to Ninang Blanca po. Bye-bye.
Bye! See you soon! Hope. See you soon.
Congratulations po, Tito Jun. Happy retirement po!
We're proud of you po.
Congratulations, Tito Jun. You have served your country with honor, integrity, courage, and commitment. We're so proud of you.
Hi, Tito Jun. A big professional episode of your life has ended, and now it's time for a new life, a new beginning with Tita Blanca. So enjoy the rest of your life.
And
Congratulations.
Congratulations, and we also would like to thank, siyempre, Tita Blanca for supporting you and loving and understanding you every time. So, again, thank you very much, Tita Blanca. Congratulations, Tito Jun. Retirement means vacation!
Yeah!
We miss you!
Hi, Jun.
Hi po. Hello po.
Ay,
congratulate you as your ate for serving the U.S. Military Navy for 20 years. We're so proud of you because I know you have done your work well done. We're so proud of you. Sana marami pa ring tumulad sa yapak mo. You have served them well. You're a good model to the U.S. Navy. And I'm so happy because you will have your full time to Blanca. Hi Blanca. I know you'll be happy now because June is always with you. Congratulations and happy retirement. Congratulations, Blanca. Regards to all of you there.
Okay. Talagang same as your ate, June. Very, very happy and proud ako sa iyo dahil ikaw ang nakitaan ko ng yung talagang serbisyo na ginawa mo ang trabaho mo para sa gobyerno. You have done well. Very good. Talagang hindi ka makakalimutan at kami proud na ipagmamalaki ka namin talaga. Congratulations, June. Masaya na si Blanca ngayon dahil makakasama ka na niya ng tuloy-tuloy. Sana dumating pa ang magagandang biyaya sa buhay. How about you?
Ganon din po yung katulad sa alda. Sige po.
Pagmamalaki mo.
Happy retirement. God bless you.
God bless you, June and Blanca.
God bless you, Blanca.